I want to review this Mophie power capsule. So this is a power capsule made by Mophie. Mophie? I hope I spelled that correctly. Pronounced that correctly. So let's see what you get in this box. Now, I got this free because I ordered something from a website, and they give me some free stuff. I'm not going to say no to free stuff, so I don't know if this is good or bad. So I have no idea if this is good or bad. So let's get into it. You get nothing in the box. You just get this wee pouchy doodah. No idea. So you get this instruction manual, so that's good. Also, basically, there's a button behind and basically you see how. Oh, that's cool. So basically, actually, I thought there was headphones in here. Oh, that's cool. So it's a power pack. Portable charging case for your earbuds. So basically, it's just a power pack. So technically, charge your phone. Don't know why it wouldn't do. Would you recommend charging your phone? Fitness tracker, earbud charging. So no, it doesn't do your 1 amp. So pass-through charger. So that's cool. So basically, it just charges your stuff. So yeah, that's cool. So you get this really small USB. Wow, this is. I've heard it's small. I heard it like we're cheaping out on the cable now. But this is, wow, it's not a very long key. Honestly, that's this keyboard. Keyboard? Oh, it's been a long day. And this is really small. Look how small it is. Right, let's compare this. This is standard. It's longer than the standard Stanley knife. So okay, that's good. Good to know. So I presume that's for like charging it up and all that. So that's good. So that's cool. Yeah, that was just a really quick unboxing. I don't know if this is good or bad. I'll put it up. So yeah, that's quite cool. I like that. So you guys, so we don't even worry about the instruction manual. We don't need that. What is that handy? I'll probably lose it I'll probably lose it, but that's okay. I'll probably lose this thing. So yeah, that's a very really quickly in unboxing and of this power box. I don't know if it's any good. I'll have to do a long-term review on it. So, but that's a very quick unboxing of it. So, what else can I say about it? It does 60 hours on wireless earbuds or 55 or plus 55 days on a fitness tracker. So if you got like those Fitbits, I don't know if it does the Apple stuff, and it's compatible 1000 milliamps power cable. So that's quite cool. So, and it's cool. Alright, I'm going to get going. So what I'll do is I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.